Today on Blaine's World, we're going to be making homebrewed sway bar quick disconnects. Alright, so a while back a buddy of mine was complaining about how he didn't have any sway bar disconnects, and so he didn't want to pay for them. So I was kind enough to offer to build him a pair. And so what we got here is we had a couple linch pins. These are 3/16. I got two 3-inch, they're 1/2-inch grade 8 bolts, two normal nuts for the bolts, two locking nuts, got some washers. We're gonna need a drill and some a drill index. You're gonna need like a cutoff tool and grinder, and we're just gonna use my Jeep as a mock-up because I have this Curry anti-rock off-road sway bar setup, and so I don't need sway bar disconnects because the Curry setup is freaking sweet. So that's the way you should go if you have the money. But if you don't, then you can always go this route. So pretty sure that's a 1/2-inch hole. So we're gonna find out. Hopefully I didn't waste some money on hardware. Yeah, it's gonna work perfect. I mean, I hope his is the same. So he's got a 97 TJ. So yeah. Just put that back on. Don't mind the garage, it's kind of a mess. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the head off his bolt. And so we'll cut the head off the bolt, and then we'll drill a hole, and then we'll take a grinder and kind of taper this so that way it can slide into the sway bar ends, and then the linch pin will go through the hole and then lock down. So that's our little project for the day. Alright, so I had a little problem. My drill broke inside there, so beware of that. That could happen. I probably should have used a little lubricant, but on the next one I will. So now I'm just going to clean this up, see if I can taper it down. It's kind of hard to do it with just a flat disc, but well, see how it goes. Probably isn't the best idea, but I'm gonna try it out. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but shoot, that'll work. All right. Well, let's give it a go. It's kind of hot. All right, so I got quick disconnect bolted up to my Jeep, and looks like it's gonna work. You know, I'm not 100% sure, just because it's hard to, you know, use mine as a mock-up, but since I don't have a stock sway bar, so it's gonna be kind of hard. Not sure 100% if it's, you know, if this is gonna be long enough or not. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be just fine. And then grab that winch pin. What you do is you stick the pin there, and that's basically how it's supposed to work. So, I think I'm going to paint them black. Alright, so here's the finished product. I just threw some black paint on them real fast. They're looking pretty good. So, it's pretty easy to make, not that difficult. Fun little project. I did weld that nut on there just to give it a little bit more security. Just a couple spot welds, nothing crazy. But yeah, not bad for you know, less than $10 at the hardware store.